In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete version history in Google Sheets 2024. This process will help keep your files clean and maintain privacy, so let's dive right in. First, start by opening a Google Sheet. If you already have a specific sheet in mind where you'd like to clear the version history, go ahead and open that particular document. It doesn't matter if it's a fresh sheet or one that's been in use for a while, it's all the same. Once your spreadsheet is open, the next step involves navigating to the File menu, located at the top left of your screen. Click on File to open a drop-down menu of options related to your document. From this menu, you'll want to scroll down slightly and find the Version History option. This section will provide you access to the entire history of changes made to the document. Once you locate it, hover over or click the arrow beside Version History, which will prompt another small menu to appear. Within that pop-up, click on See Version History. This will open a side panel on the right side of your screen, revealing a log of all the changes that have ever been made to your worksheet. Here, you can see each edit, addition, or deletion that has occurred. This view is handy for tracking work, but today we're going to proceed with the goal of clearing this history. Review the changes if necessary, and when you're ready, you can exit this history view by closing out the side panel or returning to the main worksheet area. Now the key step happens. Go back to the File menu once again. This time, look for and select Make a Copy. By making a copy of your document, you'll be creating a new version that doesn't carry over the old version history, essentially giving you a clean slate. Once you pull up the dialog box for making a copy, you can choose to rename it and select the location within your Google Drive where this new, clean version should be saved. Once you've created this copy, it's a good practice to double-check by navigating to this new document. Open your new copy, head to File again, and tap on See Version History. You should find it refreshingly empty, confirming that the old version history hasn't transferred over to your new file. And there you have it. By following these steps, you will have successfully deleted the version history in Google Sheets by saving a new copy, ensuring privacy and a tidier document space. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.